2 of trappist-1 system. Now I will tell more information about trappist-1 system in the part 2. This is part 2. Okay, you are looking. Yeah. So number first, the more information is trappist-1 system lie in Aquarius constellation. Trappist-1 system lie in Aquarius constellation. Okay. Yes. And I have this very okay. Trappist-1 system lie in Aquarius constellation. Then I want to say that in trappist-1e, there is a mission called James Webb Telescope is launched for the stars that will observe like trappist-1e also. Yes. So in part 2, I will tell you information about these also. This one, FP1. First, number 1 is F. Okay. F. Trappist-1F. Trappist-1F lie in the habitable zone. Okay. EF. It is the 5th planet from the TRAPPIST-1 star, and you can see also that the water is like so in the lines. This not a whole sea like TRAPPIST-1E or D. This is TRAPPIST-1F. It is icy. It has icy surface. Sometimes it is a stone surface also. It has an icy surface. These are the ice here. Yeah, and this all water is frozen. Some this is like not frozen. Some water is not frozen. Some is frozen. Like this is frozen. You can see white color coming here. This is not frozen. This is frozen. Yeah. So this is a portionally rocky world larger than Earth. It's larger than Earth. Okay. Then I will say about TRAPPIST-1b. TRAPPIST-1b. So not F. B. Yes. This is B. TRAPPIST-1b is the most biggest planet in the TRAPPIST-1 system, and it is very hot. Its temperature is 200 degrees Celsius, and it has very rich carbon dioxide atmosphere. As you can look, TRAPPIST-1 is so big here. This is TRAPPIST-1b. It has a carbon dioxide rich atmosphere, and it doesn't have water on its surface because it's very close to its star. Then TRAPPIST-1c. TRAPPIST-1c is, it doesn't have water on its surface, but this also has a carbon rich atmosphere. Okay. Carbon rich atmosphere. TRAPPIST-1c also has a carbon rich atmosphere. Carbon dioxide rich. And TRAPPIST-1 now let's move on to C. We have till this one. Let's do with TRAPPIST-1 D. Yes. Yeah. This is fully covered with oceans. All with oceans. Yeah. There's some land in. Yes. TRAPPIST-1 is fully covered with water, but in some parts like this land, and in the South Pole some land, but it's fully covered with oceans and oceans. Because it is in the middle of habitable zone, I think. TRAPPIST, yes, it is the habitable zone. Let's move on to TRAPPIST-1e. No, TRAPPIST-1e we have told the information in previous video. F we have said now. F's atmosphere, it's like all atmospheres, like I want to say that yeah, the planets lie in the habitable zone. Its atmosphere is, it can be not, it is not exactly it will find James Webb Telescope, but it has not reached L2 large point 2 destination when it will do the observations. Yeah, I want to say that the star in the habitable zone, the planets of TRAPPIST-1 in the habitable zone, the planets in the habitable zone of TRAPPIST-1 system, they can have oxygen atmosphere, O2, oxygen atmosphere, oxygen rich atmosphere. They have N2, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and dominated chlorofluorocarbons. These are the atmospheres of those planets that lie in the habitable zone. Now, this G and H has also oxygen rich atmosphere. G also. Okay, so these are the informations of these planets. H, yeah, look, this is H, and it has ice. These ice. Okay, and this H looks like this, G and G looks like this. Hypotropical visualization. This looks what it has. Look, this has frozen water. This is very frozen. Okay, so these are the information about just part 2 of trappist-1 system. So we have said it. The information. Said the information. Okay, till then, bye.